Torini Ti2000 2kva inverter generator. Australia's best value for money inverter generator. New environmentally friendly. Patented engine with big volume muffler to increase fuel efficiency and reduce noise. Patented permanent magnet inverter generator with ESC intelligently controls RPM to reduce noise and fuel consumption. Patented three-way cooling system to lower running temperature and extend engine life. Patented exhaust gas circulation. Exhaust gas passes through two cavities for double oil separation, decreases oil consumption and extends engine life. Single cylinder, 4-stroke, forced air cooling, OHV engine. Continuous running time at rated power equals 4 hours 20 minutes. Meets EPA and CARB, amongst the world's strictest environmental protection standards. 3-year warranty. Bonus cordless light.